One day, when Netflix produces the 5-season arrangement Tesla, we expect endorsers will fling on it as avariciously as the car media devours the bluffs and realizations of the real automaker. To enable us to comprehend what's going on at the Elon Musk auto organization, Bloomberg picked Valentine's Day to reveal its Tesla Model 3 tracker. Utilizing two information-gathering strategies, Bloomberg's instrument intends to make sense of what number of Model 3s achieve the finish of the Fremont, California, generation line each week. As of February 14, the tracker evaluated 7,341 units delivered, with 1,025 at present achieving the end goal every week. Any place near that would speak to a solid increase from the 2,686 aggregate vehicles it took Tesla around a half year to make a year ago. The primary information point originates from Looking Group van assignments that Tesla registers with the National Highway Traffic and Safety Administration. Bloomberg partitions the cluster sums by the days between enrollments to get a thought of normal creation numbers. The outlet concedes the imperfections in that framework, as non-successive van enlistments, Model 3 vans enrolled before the vehicle's been assembled, and the way that Tesla could hypothetically enlist vans for the greater part of the about 500,000 reservation holders without a moment's delay. For review, Bloomberg's second information point hits the virtual blocks, filtering for vans in online networking postings and discussions, and asking Model 3 proprietors to self-report their vans. The site doesn't clutch, nor distribute, finish vans. The Model 3 tracker is the same amount of a work in advance as the industrial facility that makes the Model 3, and the Model 3 itself. Bloomberg will refresh the tracker routinely, and improves changes as it accumulates information. After the site managers have adjusted the two informational indexes with Tesla's last revealed generation and found the middle value of the outcomes from the two strategies, voila, a running count shows up from inside the smoke. Tesla just reports creation numbers toward the finish of a quarter, so the tracker's numbers will be acclimated to fit the announced count. Tesla's latest objectives were to make 2,500 Model 3s every week before the finish of March, and 5,000 every week before the finish of June. Presently you can watch the organization prevail continuously. Or then again not. On the off chance that you need to hand your focal point to different regions over the Musk domain, attempt Bloomberg's Elon Musk Goal Watcher.